Hi, I'm Neil Henning, and in this video we're going to create a key metric that displays the percentage of work completed for a sprint. Unlike the previous examples, this key metric will be added to a list page instead of the home page. We'll also make use of calculated fields because the data comes from the related work items and not from the sprint entity itself. So before creating our key metric, we first need to add some calculated fields. I've added them already, but let's have a quick look. So I've just added one, that's the total work items, and this is just to select from the work item entity to retrieve the total number of work items. And then I've also added the completed work items, which only returns the amount of completed work items for a sprint. And now we're ready to move to the sprint list configuration page. So I'm going to projects, browse to sprint. And on here, I'm going to configure the list page. And down here in the chart section, this is our key metric. I'm going to change this to a calculated type. I'm going to change this to percentage. And for this percentage, I want 0 decimals to display. I'm going to add caption, percentage of work complete, and give it some random color. And now we can build our calculation. So in our math toolbox, I'm going to select the arithmetic block. I know I'm going to use the sum of the one divided by the sum of the other one. I'm going to change this to a division. And then I can use my two calculated fields. So I want the completed work items divided by the total number of work items. And that's it. We should also remember that if we select the field type percentage, we automatically apply a multiplication of 100 to your value. I'm going to click on add, I'm going to click on save, and there is our value. You can see that this value will change if we filter our list over here. So we can see that 67% of our work has been completed. That's 4 out of 6. This example demonstrates how calculated key metrics can be combined with calculated fields to create powerful sprint and agile reporting dashboards. It also shows that key metrics are not limited to home pages and can be added directly to list pages to provide contextual insights alongside your data. Thanks for watching.